Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got my first drone today, and I got this Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. I was gonna get the Mavic Pro 2, but it wasn't gonna be in stock in time for this show I'm about to go to. I'm going to the Fast Tracks Bog Off this weekend, and I wanted to get some cool aerial shots of all the mud bogging. So I got this, and I think it'll also make some of my videos better. And I'll give you guys a little review, and I'll post some of the camera footage, and I'll go ahead and unbox this and let you guys see what comes in the box. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you what comes with the Fly More bundle. So let's get this off. Hey. All right. So cool, it's got a nice little carry bag with it, I can see already. And it looks like all that is in here is maybe some plugs and stuff. Let's see. So in this box, oh, those are the propellers. And it looks like a manual. A couple manuals. And some more propellers. It does say A and B, so I don't know. I'll figure that out later. But inside of the package itself, let's see what we got. This thing's pretty cool, guys. So here is the drone. And it's pretty light. Surprisingly light, really. And it comes with a charger. And I believe this combo comes with 3 batteries. That's probably what's in here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So, yep, there's 3 batteries. Well, 2 batteries there. There might be one already in it. Yeah, I believe that is one right here that's in it. So I think a grand total of 3 batteries. So a nice little kit. And I'll go ahead and I will do some practice footage. Oh, that's the remote. Cool. So that's the remote. And I'm guessing that to charge it, you might just plug. This looks like a little charger right here. I don't know what this. I'll go ahead and open it up so you guys can see. Let's see. So, I mean, it looks like a charging port. I could be wrong. Yep, charging hub. So it charges all 3 at once. So I'll go ahead and I'll get this camera juiced up. I'll get everything put together, and I'll let you guys see what this is capable of doing. I am so pumped on this drone, guys. This is the coolest thing ever. I've wanted one forever. And I just, you know, couldn't bring myself to spend the money on them. Just, they're expensive, you know, for a decent one. And I didn't want to cheap out and just get like some $160 Amazon one. So, I mean, this controller feels like, it feels durable, you know, and the whole thing is great. Today was just kind of a test run. I wanted to see how I was going to upload the footage, how to get the follow mode and all that stuff. But guys, all in all, super stoked on the drone. I'm gonna bring some way better content now that I can just set it up on follow me and hit all these mud trails and I don't have to worry about filming. Only thing I gotta worry about, that's one thing that's a little stressful about these drones. They get pretty close to the obstacles. Even though it says it can dodge the obstacles, get a little close for comfort when you're talking about over $1,000 just flying through the air. So it makes me a little nervous, but I'm gonna have fun with it. We're gonna bring it to the bog off. Tomorrow we're going to Bennettsville and we're gonna go to this, I forget the name of it exactly, but it's a big mud event. It's a $5,000 bounty hole. I'm gonna bring the drone. I'm gonna get some sick footage of these $100,000, $200,000 truck builds that are gonna be going through this bounty hole. So look forward for that footage, and I hope you guys enjoyed this first drone video. I think it is super cool, and like I said, it's just a test video. So we're gonna have some really good stuff to come. Stay tuned.